We quickly bring on board Nooresh as well and find out what really happened in the markets. Nooresh, quite the disappointment considering we were gearing up for an all-time high today, but we're down a good 1% from the top.
So the pressure in the heavyweights continues from higher levels. We are seeing a Reliance Industries, which was trying to make a breakout move, pulled back by 1%. HDFC Bank continues to be sluggish. ICICI Bank takes a little bit of a knock. So overall, jitteriness continues on the index. But if you look at the small cap index, even now it is in the positive territory. The mid cap index is in the positive territory. So the breadth remains very positive. The index heavyweights are yet to take that momentum move. So waiting for at least one of the 5-6 heavyweights to actually break out, and that would trigger a breakout move on the upside. For now, the view remains the same. You want to be buying closer to 18,600 or in momentum above 18,900. For now, hold on to the positions, add on dips or on a breakout move.
On board Rudramurthy to talk about what he's reading on the charts right now. Rudra, just wanted to get your sense in on what's looking like the weakest link and keeping the Nifty on hold from hitting that all-time peak.
Definitely it is to do with banks. If you observe banks having hit the all-time highs much faster than Nifty, it is taking clear resistance at those levels of around 44,500 on future, and repeatedly having taken that resistance at 44,500, now it is breaking even crucial support which was there at 43,950, and I'm referring to Bank Nifty future level. So having broken 43,950 on Thursday, market made a pullback on Friday. But if you see today, again, Bank Nifty future is clearly trading below those levels of 43,950, and that is not good. So if we make any close below 43,500, I won't rule out a 1,500 point kind of a fall in Bank Nifty, and that can lead to fall even in Nifty. No doubt Reliance held Nifty for such a long time and it was outperforming. Even now for me, Bank Nifty is a better short than Nifty, and a lot of stocks, even if you see like Axis, if you see even ICICI Bank and even Indus India Bank, these are all some of the banks which have just turned from their top, and I won't be surprised if I see further fall to come in these stocks. So I will be very cautious on banks, and you have to be very, very stock specific if you have to be on the long side, or else general market for me, clear exhaustion is seen in banks.
Coming in as far as the weakness is Bank Nifty is concerned. In fact, on that note, we'll slip into a very short break. But as we do that, listen into the big market voices. Manish Chokhani, Samir Arora, as well as Atul Suri, all of them joined us on our birthday celebrations. Listen into what they tell about the market outlook.
Couple of years is really the period of infrastructure, capital goods and defense, railways. All these companies are really going to benefit a lot. And I don't yet think the prices have captured that fully. As you continue, again, our old, the financials are at the center of everything. So while the last few years they've all gone after the retail guys, I think this whole corporate banking, the PSU banking pack, if you take the top 3 or 4 banks after SBI, they're all in 30,000 crore type PPOPs looking evident, which are large numbers. SBI will be north of maybe 1,25,000 crores. I don't know. I think you just interviewed the chairman. The numbers are going to be staggering coming here. HDFC itself will be probably close to a 1 lakh crore PPOP.
So for that, my simple thumb rule is compound at about 13-14% and see whether 1.14 to the power of 5 into 66,000, does it become 1 lakh or no? So plus minus it would be there. But right now, yes, right now, next at least 30-60 days, because I can't commit here forever. Depends on how the prices move, but right now I would think that they are there for some time.
I saw the Sensex at around 1,000. So that's like what you're talking about is a 50, 55, 60% move. So I'd see that there's no reason why we should get there in about 4 to 5 years. For us, are actually shockingly, controversially underweight the large banks, and we are overweight the NBFCs. And I think that in that space, well, it's all doing great, yeah.